see what we have.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello, the big filter.
Wow.
Today we make the Kiwico puzzle.
Kaleidoscope puzzle. Do you know what a kaleidoscope is?
Yeah.
What's a kaleidoscope?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, let's open it up and find out.
Yeah.
So we have our instructions and everything we need to do the kaleidoscope puzzle.
Yeah. Let's get started.
So, it looks like it comes with the kaleidoscope paper, the clear wheels
What clear wheels? Where are they?
in the plastic. We have kaleidoscope stickers. Do you like stickers?
Yeah.
I like stickers too. What's called a brad, which is kind of like a little bolt, and foam bumpers. And we have rectangular mirrors.
Okay, let's get started.
So what we're going to do first, step one is we're going to fold and unfold the kaleidoscope paper.
Yeah, wait, how are you?
You are way ahead of me. You have the kaleidoscope paper. So we're going to fold and unfold the kaleidoscope paper on each line, then roll it into a triangular tube. So can you make that look like that?
I need a help here.
Okay, so we are going to fold it, and we unfold it, and then we fold this one, and we unfold it, and we fold this one, and we unfold it. So now it wants us to make it into a triangle. So we make it like that. Step two says use two clear square stickers to hold it together. On our kaleidoscope stickers, we're going to peel off our clear stickers
Hey.
and we will put it together. We'll open that up.
Wait, yeah! I broke it. Yeah.
So what it wants us to use are these square stickers.
Oh, wait, they
Okay.
are. Where are they?
So can we pull one of those off? And I will hold this for you. Right here, put a sticker. You can hold it closed. Good job. And then can you put another sticker here? Good job. So now for step three, it says fold the triangle flap up, stick it down with another clear square sticker. Don't use the clear rectangle sticker. So we need to fold this up. And then see we got a little flap here.
Yeah?
We gotta fold that over.
Why?
And then we are going to fold it up. And then can you put a clear sticker there and hold that down?
Yeah.
Excellent. Now it says for step four, peel the clear film off the rectangular mirror, then slide it into the tube. So yeah, get your rectangular mirrors. Pull, pull, pull. Like the Hulk. Can you pull the clear film off one of those mirrors? Okay, so now we are going to slide it into the tube. So take the tube and slide one in. Now, for step 5, it says repeat step 4.
I haven't done them.
Step 5 is repeat step 4 with the 2 other rectangular mirrors and slide them onto the other 2 sides. You are way ahead of me. What does it look like?
Triangle.
Triangles.
Now I put my finger. Oh, 3 fingers.
Oh, how many fingers does it look like? Oh, that is cool.
How many fingers?
That's a lot of fingers.
Yeah.
So step 6 says to keep the mirror from falling out, stick one end of the clear rectangular stickers to each mirror and the other end to the outside of the tube. Make sure to not cover the hole on the semicircle tab. So on this end,
Yeah.
we are going to take our rectangular stickers and you will place it on the end here and just wrap it around to hold those in. And then when you do this one, don't cover up your hole, okay? Another one. You know why we're doing this?
Why?
Because we don't want the mirror to fall out. Excellent job. Okay, let's see. Step 7.
That works.
Step 7. Decorate the clear wheel with the kaleidoscope stickers. Save enough stickers to decorate another wheel. So, let's get our clear wheels. Can you find our clear wheel? Yep. Okay, get that out. Okay, get one clear wheel.
Yeah, both.
Okay, so set them on your table. And then it says make sure you save enough for both wheels. So put those stickers all over your wheels and make it pretty. And just make sure you don't cover up your hole, okay?
Okay.
So now that we've decorated, we are going to line up the hole with the wheel and we're going to put the brad through the hole. So can you get the bag over there?
Check.
Oh, that looks crazy.
Yeah.
So can you get the bag for the brad and the foam bumper? And then I'll show you what we're going to do. You're so strong. So in there you should see a little brad and a foam bumper. Okay, so
And there's another one.
this is our brad. So brad, we put it through the hole and then we bend the sides to hold it in place. Okay?
Okay.
So
But what about this?
that is our foam bumper. So what we will do is we'll take this.
Hey, bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum.
And we will take our wheel that we decorated. We're going to put our brad through the hole.
I want to.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so take your brad and put it through the hole. Okay, so now take your kaleidoscope and put the brad through the hole on the front. Okay, so now before you do that, let's take your foam bumper and put it through there.
There. There's a foamy guy.
And then close your brad up. Now you should be able to spin the wheel and look through the kaleidoscope and it should make all kinds of cool colors. Ooh, wow.
Rewind it.
Yeah, do you want to try it?
Yeah. Rewind it. Oh.
So that is our KiwiCo Kaleidoscope.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.